Okay, now we need to add sun rays and UV rays created from random places to the two groups called group sun rays and group UV rays respectively. I click on groups and drag a group.addSprite code block here. The name of the group is given as group sun rays and here the name of the sprite is given as sun rays. For UV rays, a group.addSprite code block under group is dragged in the same way. Let's give the name of the group as group UV rays and here give the name of the sprite as UV rays. Next, for these sun rays and UV rays, a velocity should be given. First, let's give a velocity to the sun rays. Since there is a sun rays group here, a group.setVelocity each code block is dragged under groups here. Here, group sun rays is given. First, we need to give the velocity along the x direction and the velocity along the y direction. If the sun rays need to come towards the earth, it must come downwards in a direction midway between west and south. Therefore, equal velocities are given in the x and y direction. Let's give a velocity of -3 for x and velocity of 3 for y as the direction between west and south. I type -3 here and type 3 here. Let's give a velocity for UV rays along this direction in the same way. A group.setVelocity each code block under groups is dragged here again. Let's give the group as group UV rays. Let's give a velocity of -3 for x and a velocity of 3 for y. As before, I type -3 here and type 3 here. Good. We have finished creating the functions needed to create the sun rays and UV rays. Now, let's call this function in the function row code block. Under functions, I drag my function code block into the function row code block like this. The name of the function is given as rays. Also, because we want to see these rays clearly, let's change the background to black color. I click on the drawing and drag a background code block inside the function row code block above the draw sprite code block. Let's give the color here as black. Now, let's give the run button and see. Yes, we need sun rays and UV rays moving towards the earth. Let's click the reset button again.